This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Redmagic 5G. Redmagic, a sub-brand of ZTE sub-brand Nubia, is claiming this to be the cheapest Snapdragon 865 phone of 2020, with the price point of about $579. It doesn't break the bank, does it? This is a gaming phone which was ready for global pre-order on April 14. With a 144Hz screen, it's got the standard refresh rates for high-end PC gaming monitors. It's got Corning Gorilla Glass all around the device for protecting the device from falls and scratches. The screen is a large 6.65-inch 1080p OLED panel. It's got Snapdragon 865 as mentioned earlier, with 5G support. Obviously, it's got up to 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 gigs of storage. And that's not all. It's got USB 3.0 Type-C interface with Android 10 running on this monster device, packing up a 4500 mAh battery that can be fast charged at 55 watts. There's no wireless charging though. The Redmagic 5G has a triple lens setup, including a 64 megapixel Sony sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. The selfie side is equipped with 8 megapixels. You also get a headphone jack, and the stereo speakers and haptics are set to be enhanced. Right beneath the 144Hz display is an optical fingerprint sensor, and these are the bizarre color variants.